Two popular Chase credit cards. One burning question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Chase Freedom Unlimited. Simple, cash back, everywhere. On the right, Chase Freedom Flex. Maximize rotating rewards. Let's skip the marketing jargon and find out which card actually fits your wallet in 2025. We'll score each key category, and by the end, you'll see who wins where. The final result might surprise you.
Here's a quick roadmap of what we're comparing. We'll look at annual fee, welcome bonus, reward structure, ease of use, additional benefits, and finally, redemption and pairing options. Stick with me and we'll see which Freedom card really delivers.
First up is annual fee. And honestly, this one's super simple. Both the Freedom Unlimited and the Flex come with no annual fee at all. No tricks, no gotchas. That's huge because who wants to pay to earn cash back? So yeah, for this category, it's a straight up tie. All right, next, welcome bonus. Both cards are offering that $200 bonus after you spend $500 within 3 months. Not bad, and seriously, that's one of the easiest bonuses to snag. There's nothing sneaky with extra hoops here. So again, both cards totally match up. Another tie. Let's get into reward structure because, wow, this is really where the differences start to show. Freedom Unlimited goes for that super straightforward 1.5% cash back on every purchase, along with 5% back on travel through Chase Travel and 3% at dining and drugstores. You just use your card and get paid. Honestly, couldn't get easier. But Freedom Flex, this one gets fun. Offers you those classic rotating quarterly categories for 5% back. Also, up to $1,500 per quarter, plus the same 5% back on Chase Travel and 3% on dining in drugstores. So if you're someone who plans your purchases, you can actually get some crazy value if you hit those 5% bonus categories. But yeah, you do have to remember to activate them each quarter, which is, well, not everyone's cup of tea. Still, if you like maximizing, the Flex goes a little further on rewards. Winner here, Freedom Flex. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Freedom Flex's 5% categories have included stuff like groceries, gas stations, streaming? So, if you time it right, your everyday shopping can really rack up. Don't forget to check their latest quarterly calendar if you're considering Flex. Ease of use time. Freedom Unlimited is like the card for people who just want cash back without thinking about it. It's a flat rate, no tracking, no activation, just swipe and done. So that's basically zero effort. And honestly, that's what a lot of people want. On the other side, you've got the Freedom Flex. I mean, yes, it can give you higher rewards sometimes, but only if you remember those rotating categories and manage the quarterly $1,500 cap. That means more effort, keeping track, and if you forget to activate, it's just 1% on most purchases. So here, Freedom Unlimited's no-hassle simplicity wins by a solid margin. Let's jump into some extra benefits. Freedom Unlimited brings some nice travel and purchase protections to the table, which is cool and all, but the Flex, in classic overachiever fashion, throws in cell phone protection, especially if you get the MasterCard version, up to $800 per claim. I mean, this is one of those perks you don't realize you wanted until your screen shatters. There's a $50 deductible, so it's not absolutely perfect, and you need the MasterCard. But still, that's a pretty clutch extra. Also, you still get all the travel and purchase protections. Advantage here? Flex takes it. On redemption and pairing, both cards let you redeem your points for cash at 1 cent per point, which is good. If you happen to have one of the premium Chase cards, like Sapphire Preferred or Reserve, you can pair up and get even more value, like transferring points for travel. But yeah, for either to really max out with ultimate rewards, you need an eligible premium Chase card in the mix. So honestly, this category feels like a tie. If you mapped out their strengths, you'd see both cards perform equally well on fee and welcome. Flex jumps ahead on rewards and perks, but Unlimited soars on stress-free simplicity. Bottom line, Chase Freedom Unlimited is the card for those who want rewards without ever having to think about it. Super chill. Swipe, forget, earn. Freedom Flex? That's for the folks who love chasing deals, tracking those bonus categories, and who want a little extra, like cell phone insurance. Personally, I lean Flex if you don't mind a bit of category hustle, but Unlimited is best for lazy, reliable cash back. So thinking about which Freedom is right for you, honestly, start with your spending habits. If you want set and forget cash back, go Unlimited. If you love maximizing every quarter and want bonus perks, Flex is king. Just don't forget to activate those bonus categories and really optimize.